Hi everybody, we're doing some half-life decay problems. So exponential decay is the name of the game here. So we are going to be looking at how things decay in half-lives. So little sciencey kind of stuff going on here with exponentials. And we have a hospital that prepares a 100 milligram supply of technetium 99M, which has a half-life of 6 hours. So we're looking for what is the decay factor? Well, it's a half-life problem, so therefore it's 1/2. And then what is the length of our half-life? Well, according to this right here, we can see our half-life is 6 hours. So we're just going to put 6 hours here. And then we're asked to write the equation for this problem. And the only way we could do that is if we find out this last piece here. Find out the amount of technetium 99M that remains after 75 hours. So our half-life problem, to figure them out, it looks like that. So keep that in mind if you are looking to figure out half-lives. So f of x is what's remaining. And then we have our a, which is our initial amount. So that's the amount we start with at the beginning of this problem. And then we always are using 1/2 because we are talking about half-life problems. And then our x is our time, which typically we have a lot of with these types of problems. And then we have whatever the half-life hours or time is. So, and I'm setting this up. We're going to start off with our f of x, because we don't know that. And then we are going to look at the pieces of information. So we do have a 100 milligram supply. So we're going to put that in first. That's our initial amount. Then it's going to be half of that. And then we have an exponent of the time. Now you can see that we have a half-life time of 6 hours, but it remains, we're looking after 75 hours. So the x is going to be 75 hours because that's how much time we're spending. And it's going to be divided by our half-life time, which is 6 hours. Now again, if you want to do this in one felt swoop, feel free to. I'm going to show you how we do that. So on our calculator, what we're going to do is we are going to take a look, put the 100 in first. So 100, we're going to do times, and then I'm putting parentheses around this, 0.5, because it's a half. And then while I'm in the parentheses, I'm going to hit this exponent button. Again, this is just to write any other exponents other than 2 or 3. So I do that, and then I'm going to put this fraction in a set of parentheses, 75 divided by 6. Get that, so 12.5, and then I'm going to hit equals, and you're going to see the answer that we get, which is 0.1726. So our finalized informational answer will be 0.17. If it doesn't really say what to round to, but if you want more questions like these, find these on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. All of these will be located in my exponential functions section. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.